Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I'm here to do a review and wear test on the new Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Plus Weightless Matte Foundation with up to 24-hour wear. And if you would like to see how this new formula compares to the old Power Fabric Plus foundation, please keep on watching. And this is the original formula. It blended out really easy and seamless, as I do enjoy using this one. It did a really nice coverage. And this is the side I don't have any foundation on yet. This is the side with the original formula. This is the new formula. I'm gonna go on the opposite side of my face with it. It comes in the same packaging as the old formula. And I'm using a different brush to blend this side, as I don't like to use the same brush when I'm using different formulas. I am gonna finish up with my makeup off camera because this is a wear test. I don't want to make this a super long video. Everything set really beautiful. This is the side I used the old formula, and this is the side that I use the new formula. I feel like just looking at it, I honestly can't tell the difference. Both sides are seamless. In both of these foundations, I'm the exact same shade, number 8. Upon application, I just felt like the old formula is a bit thicker than the new formula, and that's just upon application. I feel like they both give the exact same coverage. Like I said, they both set down really lovely. I honestly cannot tell the difference on either side right now, and I am gonna be keeping on these foundations all day, and then I'll come back later on and I'll show you. I'll probably keep it on for about maybe between 9 to 12 hours. I don't know how crazy my day is gonna get today, but I'll be back later. I'll see you ladies later. I hope you all have a lovely day. And this foundation all day for about close to 9 hours, I would say. And this is the status of my face. On this side, I used the original formula, and it's still really beautiful. And this is the side I use the new formula. Yeah, I feel like it's just as beautiful. This side, however, with the new formula just seems more airbrush than the original formula. Also, the side with the new formula is really lightweight. I don't even feel anything at all on this side of my face, but with the original formula, I do feel it. It doesn't feel cakey or anything, but I do feel like I'm wearing foundation. I can feel it on this side. Both sides are equally beautiful. Did get dewy in my T-zone, as I do with most foundations. However, it didn't separate at all by my nose or get caked up. My under eyes didn't separate at all. My foundation is still seamless. Nothing rubbed off on my smile lines or on my nose or anything like that. I feel like both of these foundations are really, really lovely. I paid $64 for this foundation from the Giorgio Armani beauty website. I feel like it's really, really lovely. It is a good formula for the spring and summer. As I said, it feels really, really lightweight, but you do achieve a medium to full coverage with this one. I feel like I got excellent coverage. All of my marks are fully covered. I use the Our Fabric concealer as well because I didn't want to mix brands. I also use the Giorgio Armani primer, and everything is really, really lovely still. This is one of those foundations that you can wear for a really, really long time. The claims are that you can wear it for up to 24 hours. I personally don't wear any foundations for that long. My max time is probably about 12 hours, but this is really, really comfortable. This is perfect for everyday use. It's also great for special occasions, as I can't stress how comfortable it is. I feel like the old formula is still really, really lovely, as this was one of my personal favorite full coverage foundations before the new release. The only difference with this one, I feel like it does apply a bit more airbrush to the skin, and it's also lighter in weight, but you do get the same coverage from both sides. None of these oxidize at all. They're both the same color that it was when I first applied it, and this is really, really lovely. I would absolutely rate this new foundation and the old foundation a perfect 10, as I can't say anything bad about neither of them. Really hope this video was helpful to someone. If you're new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to bringing you more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching.